Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about strawberries, and this is part 2 on our tips and ideas for using strawberries. So if you're looking for some ideas, something a little different to do, I hope this will help you out. For a fast and easy fruit sauce, blend some strawberries together with a little bit of orange or even pineapple juice would be really good. Add a little bit of sugar or a little sweetener if you want. And if you don't want to add sugar but you want something sweet, you can blend in some dates or some red grapes. Seedless red grapes will be delicious in there for an added sweetener. Strawberries are often at the top or near the top of the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list. So if you are concerned with chemical residues in your food, it would be advisable to buy organic strawberries. Yes, they are more expensive, but it may be worth it to you to pay that little bit extra at the grocery store. Why not add strawberries to your favorite breakfast smoothie? That would add a wonderful flavor to it. How about making a parfait by layering some yogurt, strawberry slices, fresh blueberries, and even a little granola on top? Sounds wonderful. Did you know strawberries can actually be roasted, and that would concentrate the flavors of them? To do that, you wash and dry them and then roast them at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. You can enjoy them warm or chilled. They will have a heightened sweetness and flavor, and of course their texture will be softer than when they're raw. You could add your roasted strawberries to yogurt, ice cream, or use it as an oatmeal topping. You can add them to a salad or use them any way that you would raw strawberries. Something really different there. Now we do know that we have to store our strawberries in the refrigerator, but they are most flavorful when they are at room temperature. So if you want to get the most flavor out of your strawberries, just take them out of the fridge a little bit early and allow them to warm up naturally at room temperature, and you'll get a little better flavor out of them that way. You can bring out the natural sweetness of your strawberries by sprinkling them with just a little bit of balsamic vinegar or lemon juice, orange juice, or even pineapple juice. If you want to preserve the color of your strawberries, you can toss them with just a little bit of sugar, lemon juice, orange juice, or pineapple juice, and that will help to preserve their color and make them brighter for you. When you're washing strawberries, avoid soaking them in water. They're very porous and they will absorb the water and become waterlogged, which will diminish their flavor some. So if you want the most bang for your buck out of your strawberries, rinse them briefly under running water, or you could have a bowl of water, but just don't leave them soak in there. Just make it a brief rinse and you're done. Now for some conversion rates, in case you need to, 1 pint of fresh strawberries is about 2.5 cups of whole berries. It's about 1 3/4 cups sliced, or 1 1/4 cups pureed. And that pint usually contains somewhere around 24 medium size or 36 small berries. We do know the sizes in there are going to vary, so those are rough estimates for sure. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care and have a good day now.